Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of March, 2025, our system has categorized Microsoft as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 5.52. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 5.2%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.3% since it was identified as a strong sell candidate. The stock has broken through a significant downward trend in the short term. Initially, a stronger decline is indicated, but it is important to note that false breaks and sell-offs may occur. Nevertheless, a further decrease seems plausible, and any rebounds to the breaking point, which is $382.70, can be viewed as a second opportunity to exit. According to fan theory, $343.15 could represent the new baseline for the upcoming trend, although it is still too early to make definitive claims about this. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of about 10.9% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 10.31% to negative 1.04%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 0.88%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 2.39% and 21.18% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $389.24 and $460.67. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for Microsoft as stock downgraded to strong sell candidate." The Microsoft stock price declined by 3.34% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, falling from $393.31 to $380.16. It has now decreased for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 2.43%, with a low of $377.25 and a high of $386.40. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 of those days and is down by 5.9% during this period. The trading volume increased on the last day by 12 million shares, despite the price decline. This may serve as an early warning sign, and the risk will be slightly elevated over the next few days. In total, 33 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $12.420 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $468.35, while the lowest was $377.25. Currently, the price is 18.83%, or $88.19, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft is navigating a challenging landscape as it faces pressures that could impact its stock price in both the short and long term. Recent commentary from Equinix indicates a potential slowdown in hyperscaler demand, driven by shifts in artificial intelligence investment, which poses risks for the data center growth that many firms, including Microsoft, rely on in their cloud strategy. Despite this, Microsoft's strong operational performance continues to signal resilience. In a strategic move, OpenAI has entered a significant 5-year agreement worth nearly $12 billion with CoreWeave, highlighting a growing competitive atmosphere within the artificial intelligence sector. This development may pressure Microsoft to increase investment in its own artificial intelligence initiatives to maintain its competitive edge. The overall market sentiment for technology stocks has shifted, with the Nasdaq entering correction territory. While this may present a buying opportunity for investors, concerns surrounding Microsoft's high valuations and slowing growth could temper any short-term stock price recovery. Furthermore, Ongoing investigations related to Activision's data practices could cast a shadow on Microsoft's gaming segment and investor confidence. As market volatility persists, tech-focused investment strategies may face scrutiny, leading to calls for diversification amid heightened risk assessments. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Microsoft a positive rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, the 14th of January, 2025, Wells Fargo also rated Microsoft as outperform with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, UBS rated Microsoft with a buy designation along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, Needham provided Microsoft with a hold rating and a hold recommendation. On the same day, the 10th of December, 2024, Piper Sandler rated Microsoft as neutral with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock an overall neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also classified as strong sell. However, in terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Microsoft stock is exhibiting sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $392.21 and $412.89. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 28, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by nearly 15%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Notably, trading volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it's advisable to monitor this stock more closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 29 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 26 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 28 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 23 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you are interested in discovering more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. Typically, this stock is traded at a substantial volume, and with only minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed low. Over the last day, the stock moved $9.15, representing a 2.43% change between its high and low. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.70%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively typical and is often observed in companies with long histories or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates stand at $3.20. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $414.99. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution, and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources stands at neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of February, 2025, Smith Bradford L. conducted an insider sale of 3,722,385 shares of common stock. On the same day, Nomoto Takeshi executed an insider sale of 1,294,178 shares of common stock. Also, on the 28th of February, 2025, Jala Alice L. sold 444,056 shares of common stock. On that date, Hood Amy sold 4,390,842 shares of common stock. Lastly, on the 28th of February, 2025, Hogan Kathleen T. conducted an insider sale of 1,744,787 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 6.705. In total, insiders purchased 487,822 shares and sold 414,585 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Currently, Microsoft displays several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 11th of March, we expect Microsoft to open higher by $1.11, starting at $381.27. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock market. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.